Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So as you notice, 2 videos in 1 week, what's going on? So basically, not how I do it is that I do 1 video and then I stream. This week I'm just not feeling like streaming, so I thought let's do a nice quick video for YouTube. So this will be uploaded Friday, so tomorrow. So yeah. So what we're doing today is continuing our theme, sweet savoury. So we're going to do a simple chicken, marinated chicken, and serve that with some satay sauce, which is nice spicy peanut butter sauce. So very simple, very quick. It takes about 5 minutes to prep, half an hour to marinate, and about 5-10 minutes to cook. So dinner within an hour, under an hour. So I'll show you the ingredients behind me when we go to put everything together, because I'll talk you through them as we are marinating the chicken, and then while our chicken's marinated we'll make our satay sauce quickly, and then after that we will get our chicken cooked and served. So first things first, we're going to marinate some chicken. I'm using chicken thighs here, but you can use breasts. So I've got about 5 chicken thighs here, just trimmed off the fat, and to marinate it I've got about 90 milliliters of soy sauce here. I'm using light soy sauce, but you can use dark. And then we have 2 spring onions, just roughly cut. I've got some grated lemongrass here, a bit of grated ginger and garlic, and I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. So what we'll do is we'll just get your hands in there, get that all mixed up. Nice simple marinade. And then now we're going to cling film this and put this in the fridge to marinate for about half an hour, or even better, overnight. But for this we're going to marinate it for half an hour to make it nice and quick. So cling film this into your fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. So while our chicken's marinating, we're going to make our quick satay sauce. So in my pan I've got 150 grams of smooth peanut butter, because satay sauce is peanut based, so easy enough just to use some peanut butter. So I'm using 150 grams of smooth peanut butter. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, and I've got 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce in there on a heat. And then to this I've got 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and for the heat we're using cayenne pepper. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. But if you want it less spicy, just do 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So what we're going to do now is slowly bring this to a boil, melt the peanut butter, and combine all of our ingredients together to make our simple satay sauce. So I'm going to put this on the low heat now for about 5 minutes, just for it to come to a nice simmer, get all those ingredients combined. So our sauce has come to the boil. I've turned down the heat again. As you can tell, it's come together. It's nice and light in colour. If when you taste it it's still too spicy for you, just add a bit more of your coconut cream into it. That will just cool it down just a tad. And then what we're going to do now is turn off the heat, put this to the side, let this cool, and then this is going to be ready to serve with our chicken. So turn off the heat, I'm going to let this cool down now. So I've cooked the chicken, and we're getting some nice colour, so I've turned the heat down, we don't want it to burn. So what we're going to do now is I've got some Sheldon or white rice wine, it's like a Chinese rice wine. We're going to deglaze the pan with that of that, then cook for another 5 minutes, and then we shall serve up. The plate's up. I've taken 2 of my chicken breasts that we marinated in that soy sauce, then cooked off and finished off with a bit of that Chinese rice wine. I've got my bak choy just to the side, and then what we're going to do is we've got our nice satay sauce. I just heated it up slowly so it's easier for me to finish the dish. So we're going to drizzle, not a lot, we want all the other flavours to come through. There's a bit on, and then just on top a bit and around the sides of just some sesame seeds. And there you have it, guys. Very, very easy chicken satay, ready to eat. Very, very simple. Takes under an hour to cook. So guys, that's how I do it. Very, very simple chicken satay. If you want, you don't have to make the satay sauce. That marinated chicken, that would be awesome with a bit of sticky coconut rice, a bit of steamed veg as well. Or you can put that into a sandwich, awesome. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, guys. Like I said at the beginning, there's going to be no stream this week because I just don't feel like it. It happens to very many streamers, they just don't feel like streaming. So I thought I'll do another YouTube video, so just to keep up my content, because YouTube is where I started and it's who I am as well. I went to Twitch and I started gaming, and then all of a sudden people say, oh, cook on YouTube. Well, cook on YouTube, which I do. Then cook on Twitch, which I do as well, so I live stream my cooking. So thank you very much for being here, guys. All my links will be in the description below for my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook page, and my Twitch page where I live stream cooking. Also guys, remember to hit that thumbs up, give this video a like, share it with your friends and your family, and if you haven't yet, guys, please subscribe. I'll be more than happy for that as well, guys. So thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next one.